What's up, Vetters? Patrick here with Vetted. I have a very special announcement to make in today's video, as well as we are going to be, let me grab it. We're going to be unboxing. Chris Ramsey from Area 52 sent me a package, and we are going to open it. What's in it? I don't know, y'all. I think I hear something ticking. I'm just kidding. Let's jump into this special announcement, and then we'll open that box from Chris Ramsey and see what's in there. Now, my special announcement. Okay, so as many of you may know or may not know, I am filming a documentary. I started at Contact in the Desert at the end of May, beginning of June, and I will be filming for months. And my documentary is about psionics specifically, right? The ability to summon UFOs with your mind. It's that simple. And my goal is to journey out into the world, meet people who have these abilities, have them demonstrate their abilities on camera, and then I also try it, right? And we're going to go over the history of psionics. It's a whole thing being put together. I'm working with a documentary company, so this is a film company. So this is a legit project that I'm working on. It's not just me grabbing a camera and making a YouTube video. This is a long-term project that I'm working on and putting together behind the scenes, working on it every day, to be honest with you, while I do Vetted. And the announcement I have to make is I have run into a few roadblocks, okay, trying to reach out to certain people who claim to have these abilities. A few want to meet, but most are just not available or just ghosting me. Just not responding at all, which is a little strange, but it is the summer, so we'll give a little leeway there. But, you know, talking to one of the producers on this documentary, we came up with the idea that I would make an announcement on Vetted channel that I want you, okay, to reach out to me if you claim to have psionic abilities. So if you can summon orbs and UFOs with your mind, reach out to me. I've set up a special email address, which I'll put on the screen. I'll also put a link down in the description and the top pinned comment. It's real simple. Just email me, psionicsfilm@gmail.com. Again, I'll put it on the screen. I'll put links down below. Email me if you want to be on camera and be a part of this psionic documentary that I'm making. And the criteria is you can summon orbs with your mind, right? If you claim to have that ability and want to go on camera, right, send me your information. Reach out to me. Email me. Tell me what you can do, where you're from. You know, let's start a dialogue here. And so we'll see how many people reach out. And my goal is to go film with some of the people that reach out. All right. And see what they can do. So that's simple. And I want to be able to try it with them, right? Pretty simple. So again, email me, psionicsfilm@gmail.com, and tell me your story, right? Also, if you have videos demonstrating this, send me those as well. So if you have videos demonstrating you summoning orbs, send me those videos to the same email address, right? But specifically, I want to talk to real people. People who aren't, you know, former military or, you know, connected to the government somehow or, you know, all of these things, right? Have a podcast, none of that. I just want to talk to people with real jobs who claim to have this ability. I want to see how many people out in the world think they have this ability or know they have this ability. And can they demonstrate it on camera, right? So let's find out. So that's my big announcement. I'm curious to see what kind of emails I get. Right. Again, you can't be anonymous. If your goal is to reach out and you want to stay anonymous, that will not work. You have to go public. You have to put your face on camera and you have to show who you are. It's that simple. Okay. That's the criteria. So email me and let's see what happens. All right. Now let's get to this unboxing. All right, y'all. Let's see what we got here. Okay, look at this. He's even got the Area 52 tape. Jesus. Such good branding. Good job, Chris. All right, let's open this thing. Let's see what we're working with here. Okay, there we go. All right. So let's see. Okay. Let's get in here. Oh, geez. Okay, this is professional. What that looks like some sort of shirt of some sort. Okay. We got a pencil. Says Majestic 12. That's pretty cool. A sticker that also says Majestic 12. You can't really see it. I'm trying to get it in the... you see that? Majestic 12. That's pretty cool. Oh, wow. That's really cool. Look at this, like a little book. All right. A little book. Area 52. Well, let's do it this way. Okay, we got a shirt. Okay. We got a hat. Let's see. We got a patch. That's pretty cool. And a pin. Let's see if we can get in here. A little pin. We got another shirt. Wow, what the heck? Another shirt, y'all. What is going on? Okay. All right, let's go over some of this stuff here. Y'all. I mean, I got Vetted merch, but it's not as good as this. Not even close. In fact, I asked Chris to help me with my merch down the line, so he said he would. At least some advice, not help me with it, but you know what I mean. Wow. Okay. This is sick. That's pretty nice. Majestic 12 green. Love this green, this army green. Right? That's sick. So, look, I'll put a link in the description, y'all, so you can go get some of this merch from Chris Ramsey. This is sick, man. This is way too much. I thought he was going to send me, maybe a shirt or something. But he's sending me all kinds of stuff. Multiple shirts. Look at that. Look at this. That's pretty sick. That's pretty sick. Nice hat. Oh, couple of hats, y'all. What? Bro, this is too much. That is sick. That looks amazing. Look at that. Look on the back. Crash retrieval. Damn it, Chris. You did it. This is so good, dude. Literally just amazing. This is too much, man. This is too much. I don't like getting gifts like this. It's too much. Because now I got to get him something. You know what I mean? I can't just let him give me a bunch of stuff like this. Look, a blue version of this shirt, essentially, which is sick. I think I like the blue better. Yeah, this is cool just for notes. You know what I mean? Just for keeping secret notes. This is where I'm going to keep all the secrets, y'all. Anytime I get UFO secrets, it's going to go right in here. So, all the secrets. And this thing, man. Let's just look at this last thing here. Okay, we got what looks like a sick sweater. Oh, yeah, that's sick, dude. That's sick. It's got the crash retrieval on the back. I love this. It's just a regular sweater. You know what I like about this? It's not a hoodie. It's just a regular old sweater. Dude, this is sick. Got to wear the hat. Looks great. Feels great. Love all the stuff. Thank you so much to Chris Ramsey. Again, I'll put a link in the description. You could go check out some of this merch that he's got. It's amazing. We got to support each other as creators, y'all. We're all a big community, all a big family here. We should be lifting each other up and supporting each other, and I'm happy to support Chris Ramsey in Area 52 and what he does. He puts out such amazing content, and he's a great guy on top of that, right? And I mean, look at this. Sending all this stuff out, just amazing. Really, really great. So this is all top of the line merch right here. This is what I want. Goals. Hashtag goals. This is what I want to have for Vetted as well. This high quality right here. So again, shout out to Chris Ramsey, Area 52. Go check out his merch and get some badass shit like this. So anyway, don't forget to email me if you got psionic abilities and videos of it. You want to be in the documentary. Hit me up. Email me. We'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, every day's a gift, y'all. Peace.